Welcome to our channel NKC Insight. Each year on June 13th, observes has the National Sewing Machine Day. The day on is the invention of the sewing machine that kept us in stitches for over 150 years. Before sewing machine, people suffered by stitching their clothes on hand since it required loads of work and time as well. The invention of sewing machine brought about revolutionary change. In 1755 there was a man who saw a need and decided that he would be the one to fill that need with a miraculous device that took all the labor out of hand sewing. Charles Frederick Wiesenthal created the idea of a double-pointed needle with an eye at an end, but it was not until 1790, the true revolution in sewing was conceived of by Thomas Saint. His design was intended for leather and canvas. However, he never advertised it and no evidence of the design, other than his drawings, could be found. In 1874, William Newton Wilson found Saint's drawings in the London Patent Office. With some minor adjustments, Wilson built a working model. The London Science Museum currently owns Wilson's model. Walter Hunt invented the first American lock-stitch sewing machine in 1832. John Greenough patented the first sewing machine in the United States in 1842. In 1851, another inventor, Isaac Singer, developed a sewing machine model that would endure and thrust him into court with Elias Howe over patent infringement. Sewing machine interactions at different speeds have been used to construct qualitative rules mapping fabric properties to optimum sewing machine settings for intelligent sewing machines. An intelligent manufacturing environment has been put forward in which fabric properties predict the sewability of any fabric, determine the minimum change of fabric properties required. Advanced technological in sewing garments like buttonhole machines, button sewing machines, bar tacking machines, spot tacking machines, and profile sewing equipment. Computerized sewing machines or under-bed trimmer (UBT) sewing machines have memory banks and electronic control panels. It uses to program an operation that the machine will perform repeatedly and are reprogrammable in terms of stitch patterns, cycle times and operation of work aids. Sewing machine provides a great benefit to textile industry, especially in the leather field where the manual sewing concept was almost diminished. Sewing machines are used both for industrial and household purposes. Machine that meant for the household purpose are great in design, compatibility, easy portability and weightless. In addition, several mechanisms like embroidery provisions are also included in the recent models. Crafts fairs and flea markets are filled with booths full of beautiful sewing machine-made clothes and craft items. Quilters across America are also known as sewing machine experts. Although modern sewing machine designs have proliferated in an enormous variety, mostly for special industrial purposes, the basic operation remains unchanged. Modern machines are commonly powered by an electric motor, but the foot treadle machine is still in wide use in much of the world. The world's largest producer is China, and Japan's industry pioneered the versatile zigzag machine. In earlier days, at least 14 hours to make a dress shirt for a man, a woman's dress took 10 hours, and a pair of summer pants took nearly 3 hours. Most individuals would have only 2 sets of clothing, a work outfit and a Sunday outfit. The movement to large-scale factories also resulted in a decrease in the amount of time clothing production took, which caused the prices for clothing to drop significantly. The sewing machine's effects on the clothing industry resulted in major changes for other industries as well. Cotton production needed to increase in order to match the demand of the new clothing factories. Sewing machines can make a great variety of plain or pattern stitches, involving 1 to 7 separate threads to form the stitch. Today, many people are again becoming interested in the art of sewing and making their own clothing. Sewing Machine Day celebrates the invention of this amazing device. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share our video. Also subscribe our channel for more videos.